Hold on, I'm feeling this. Now they've resorted to stealing my song?
Whoa, Pin, are you good?
This is completely unacceptable! You can't claim someone else's song as your own. That completely ruins the game!
Chill.
I liked the sound of that remix. You pass.
Yeah! We did it!
Yo-yo cake!
That's it!
Free Smart, you fool. You have crossed far too many lines. You ripped off my face. You crushed my body. You didn't let Ice Cube come swing with me. And now you have the gall to steal my song? No wonder your team name abbreviates to FART. It's time you feel my pain. It's time you feel the gravity of all the atrocities you have inflicted upon me. Ruby and Book, I have no remorse in saying that you are up for elimination.
Whoa, what just happened? Pin, do you know?
Mary had a little lamb. Good.
Yeah, I won't question it.
Mary had a little